Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to navigate the Charles Schwab app. First, securely log in using your credentials to access your personalized investment accounts. Once inside, the main dashboard provides a clear, concise overview of your entire portfolio. You can quickly see your total balance and review recent activity, ensuring you stay informed about your financial movements. This initial screen is designed for immediate understanding. Now, let's explore managing your investments. The app makes it simple to buy and sell various assets like stocks, ETF, and mutual funds with just a few taps. You can also create and customize watch lists to keep a close eye on specific securities you are interested in. Plus, access a wealth of comprehensive research and real-time market insights to help inform your investment decisions. Moving on to account services, the app allows you to easily initiate transfers between your various Schwab accounts, making money management seamless. You can also deposit checks directly using your mobile device, saving you a trip to the bank. Furthermore, quickly locate and download important documents such as statements, tax forms, and receive timely alerts about your account activity. Finally, let's talk about support and customization. If you ever need assistance, you can connect with customer support directly through the app, ensuring help is always at your fingertips. You can also personalize your dashboard layout and adjust notification settings to suit your preferences, making the app truly yours. For those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.